What's going on, guys? I'm Charles with Sample Creek. So one of the most common questions I get is, what are the startup procedures in this type of machine? So it varies by manufacturer. It varies by membrane manufacturer. Each company has a recommendation, so we suggest always follow the manufacturer's recommendations. But generally, when you get a new system like this, you need to flush it. So you want to run clean water throughout your system because in the manufacturing process, there might be some contaminants in the housings that weren't properly flushed out or whatever. So the step one is to just rinse it with clean water. Then the second step is to introduce your membranes and then flush those membranes, typically with clean water. Usually membranes will have some preserving chemicals like sodium metabisulfite and things of that nature that are meant to preserve the life of the membrane. That needs to be cleaned out. And so typically we will flush those out with clean water, preferably distilled water, but not necessarily. It could be regular water. At the end of the day, these are basically almost an RO type system. So the second step, of course, cleaning those membranes with water to remove any chemicals or preservatives in those membranes. And following that, there may be a conditioning procedure that each manufacturer would recommend, being it a mixture of water and solvent, pure solvent, or whatever the situation is. That's pretty much it. But that's only done once in the life of the membrane. Once your system is clean, once your membranes are conditioned, that's it. You run continuously each batch. You don't need to condition every single time you're going to run a batch.